Usuku lomhlaba wonke lokubungaza isifo ingculazi nesandulela sayo lwanonyaka luhambisana nokukhishwa kwezibalo esiqagula ukuthi siphezulu isibalo sabantu abahaqwa yileli gciwane esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Iphini lika Mengameli usebenzise lo mbungazo ukuhlaba ikhwelo lokuba kuvikelwe izingane.
There is reason for concern about the increased incidence of HIV infection amongst adolescent girls aged 15 to 19. Since it is an indication that older men engage in unprotected sexual activities with young girls and young women.
Ngqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uJoe Phahla uthi lokhu kungenziwa ngokuba kuthuthukiswe izingane zamantombazane kanye nentsha.
The only way to stop that is to make sure that young women especially are empowered. So we have programs like Sikala Kanjani, which is led by young people to craft messages and also mobilize young people. Also in our health facilities, we have more and more youth zones. Many of our clinics now have got youth zones where young people can come in, counseled by younger nurses and younger doctors.
Kuphinde kwethulwa ngokusemthethweni iGlobal Alliance okuyinhlangano ehlose ukunqanda ukutheleleka kwezingane igciwane lesandulela ngculazi kanye nengculazi uqobo lwayo.
We're all here to say children should not be left behind. They should be as much on treatment as their adult counterparts. We should be able to suppress the viral load, and we should be able to make sure that they live, the most productive, the most healthy, the most joyful lives in their families, in their communities.
Kanti-ke abantu abaphila negciwane bathi-ke bayahlukumezeka emtholampilo uma beyothatha imishanguzo.
Kala amanesi ayasithethisa mangaba mhlawumbe ungalandanga treatment yakho ngedate kuthi uhlala emva awuzuyithatha treatment awuzuyithatha masekushaya treatment awuzuyithatha ngoku. Okunye sengilandiwe ke ngoku into laba sibaleke futhi ukaya eclinic ukuthi uthi ufike eclinic uhlaliswe emva njalo so ungene emanesini natsho noba yinayithandayo uhlale treatment yakho ithole sekusemalanga awusenayo transport ogoduka.
Iphini lika Mengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi kusezandleni zabantu bakuleli ukunqanda lolu ubhubhane. Ezindabeni zethu ku Channel 163 olethelwa iNewsroom Africa nginguntando Mnyandu eMandeni.